Well, I'm making progress, even though it's the last day. I should be wrapping it all up right now, but as you can see, we're not quite there. A few things I guess I've figured out is, I like to work under pressure, and it is Christmas time, and it is currently December 21st. We're actually hosting Christmas at our house tomorrow, so I gotta get something ready, or at least clean this up so that people can come over. I got a lot of work to do today. I just put Harley down for a nap, so I'm gonna get out in the garage right now, and I'm gonna try cutting this bench and see if we can get that going. At least if I get all the parts cutted, I can paint, and the assembly should go a little bit quicker. So, all right, here we go. So I ran into a little problem because I changed my design mid-build. I decided to make this one solid piece in the back. I thought that would be less pieces to cut. And the problem with that is that when I'm building the trunk box, the trunk is not square. So I'm gonna have to cut a little board to just throw in the back of the trunk to square it out. And so I'm making that little piece now. So those are the little things that come up and happen during these projects, especially when you start deviating from your design and don't think it through. So anyway, just like what I said here, problems equal opportunities, right?
Okay. Maybe like cut off my... Perfect! Yes!
Guess what?
Hey, Dad.
What?